Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to share your photo and name in iMessage. So to get started, on the top left corner you'll find a button with edit. We're going to press on edit and now click on edit name and photo. It's going to bring us to choose your name and photo. We're going to click on that. And now we can either choose a photo that we have, a Bitmoji. To add a photo, we click on those three dots. And now we can either take a picture and we can either go to our photos by pressing the next button, or we can just choose a Bitmoji. I'm going to choose a Bitmoji. I'm going to choose this guy right here. And let's go with this guy right here. Once you're done choosing your Bitmoji, we're going to click on next. And now we can position where we want the photo to be taken, choose, and now give it a background, click done, and now we can click done again, and now click continue. Use this photo for everywhere. We'll say not now. And now that's my name, that's the photo, and all we have to do is press done so that everyone kind of gets the notification that this is our new photo, and they get our name as well. And we get to choose either it's only our contacts or always ask when we, have a message with someone who's not in our contacts. So hope this helped and enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.